Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pusheen to celebrate Easter and spring. So let's get started. To draw this cute tabby cat, let's first start by drawing a curve for the top of her head. So I'm just going to come right here, and this is going to be center of her top of her head, and then from there we're going to go up for her ears. So we come up to the tips right here, just round it off and come down. And same thing over here. Round off the tip and come down. From there, I'm just going to bring this down a little bit more, so we give some room for our nose and mouth. Okay, so now that we have that, and let's come back in here with some details. So right up here, we're going to add 3 stripes. So it's just basically 3 U's right in this area. And then let's come down from the center, come down a little bit, so say about right here, and I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a straight line down and then curve it out for the mouth. Same thing on the other side. And then right in the center, I'm going to add a curve for the mouth. And then I'm going to come to the sides and draw a circle for the eyes. And let's come in here, I'm going to give it one little highlight and then shade the rest in. So same thing over here. There, cute little Pusheen is alive now. So let's come up top right here, I'm just going to give a little curve on top of the eye, because it's my draw so cute Pusheen, right? And then now let's give her some bunny ears. So right in the center, I'm just going to give myself a point right in the center. From this point right here, I'm going to go up and draw my bunny ears, round it off, and bring it right back in. So same exact thing on the other side. And bring it right back in. Then let's come inside right here. We're going to draw the inside of our ears. So we're just following the outside. There. Now Pusheen is ready for Easter. Round off my ears a little bit. Okay, so then from there I'm going to bring this down more for her body. And so say about right here underneath the mouth in about this area, I'm going to start and draw a curve for her hands. So let's get that out of the way first. And let's come back up here before I forget to draw her whiskers. So right where the eyes are, I'm going to come right here and draw 2 curves. And same thing on the other side. Okay, and then now we can go ahead and draw all the flowers that are surrounding her. So I'm just going to leave this as is for now, because I'm going to surround her with flowers, so then I'll figure out how far to bring that down. But we're going to come straight down to the center, and just imagine a bunch of flowers here. So I'm just going to say about right here. I'm going to start and draw a circle for the center of our daffodil. So don't worry too much about where you start this. If you need to, you can always add more flowers or put less flowers, depending if you're running out of space or have too much space. Okay, so I'm just going to say about right there. And then I'm going to start the daffodil. So from this center circle, let's come up and we're going to draw the 3 main petals. So right in the center. And then the other 2 kind of go this way, like a... what do you call that? Like a propeller, I guess? And 1 more. And round off the tips and bring them in. And then right here, you can just come in here and give a little line for the center. And then we're going to draw the back petal. So right in between each petal, these two petals, we're going to draw the second layer of petals to fill in that space. And one more right here. So that's how you would draw a very simplified daffodil. And then from there, let's, I'm going to come in this area and draw a leaf and tuck it in. Now from there, now that we have the main flower in, let's come to the side of this flower and we're going to draw a daisy facing each side. So giving it some space, I'm going to say about right here. And let me say about right here, I'll start. And like I said, don't worry too much. Just about it's in this area because you can just fill in the space with leaves or flowers as you need. So we're going to start with this curve and then we're going to come in here and put in two curves. Using those two curves, we're going to draw the daisy. So we're going to start with the first petal right here, and then another one. And then now we can go ahead and build our daisy all the way around. And one more. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to say about right here, approximate. And once again, same exact thing. Two curves. So I really hope this drawing inspires you to draw it too and have fun. I love it because it has all these flowers and it'll just be so fun to color. Okay, and I love flowers, so now we have the other two main flowers in. Now let's come into this area you've created, this empty space, and we're just going to fill it in with flowers. So say right here, I'm just going to draw myself an oval, and this one you can just drop however many petals as you want, and you just want to fill in the space. So this one you don't have to worry too much. So we're just filling in the space. And before I forget, I'm going to add a little leaf right here. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So thank you for all your love that all the love you've given me for all my Pusheen drawings. I can't believe how far I've come with those drawings. When I first started, I kind of did like a series, and I said, okay, I did one every month for the year, and I thought I was done, but then you guys kept asking for more. And so I've just kept drawing Pusheens, and I love them so much. They're so cute, and there's just so many wonderful drawings from them that I can draw for you. So I'm really happy that I can continue doing that. Okay, so then now, once again, there's more space here, so I'm going to do the same exact thing. Just fill it in with one more flower. So as you can see, I'm just coming in here, not worrying too much about anything being exact. I just want to fill in the space. Then from there, let's add some leaves once again. So right there and about right there. Wherever you feel you need to add something, definitely go ahead. Okay, so we're pretty much done with this section right here. Now let's come up and I'm just going to say right here on this daisy right here, I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve down. Since it's just a little bit easier for my hand, I'm going to thicken up the stem, and from there I'm going to draw a big U for our tulip right in this space. And let's come up right here and draw the first curve coming in, and another curve, and then in the center just fill it with a wobble. So it's a very simplified way to draw a tulip. And let's come in here, we're going to fill in this space. So let's come right here and we're going to draw a leaf for our tulip, and another one here. And right here we're going to stick another flower, so about right here. I'm just going to add another curve, a little oval. So I'm kind of following the original drawing by Pusheen, changing it up a little bit, but it's basically the same. Okay, so then before I forget, I'm going to come in here and just add some little circles just for some decoration. Okay, so then now we can do the same thing on the other side. We just want our tulips about the same, so it's in this area. And I'm going to come and drag that point across. So say about right there. And I'm going to bring a curve down, just because it's easier for my hand, but you can definitely go this way too. So from there, once again, about right here, I'm going to add a U to create our tulip. So I'm just going to start with first curve, and then another one, and then wobble the center. And then once again the leaves. So about right here. And one more. So this little thing that comes out, and an oval. So sorry if I'm going too fast. If I am, please pause the video. I hope I'm not. It's just a lot of flowers I need to draw for you. Okay, so then, oh, and also the circles right here, if you like, just for decoration. And then we can go ahead and finally finish Pusheen. So whatever space you have left, just draw in this curve to fill it in. And take a look at my camera, make sure I have everything in there. Okay, so we're pretty much done, except I'm going to add some hearts right here to make it extra sweet. And like I said, I really hope this drawing inspires you to draw it and have fun coloring it. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope you loved it. And if you do and you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.